Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're headed down to Virginia actually to hunt some turkeys this weekend. Today's Thursday, we're going to hunt tomorrow morning, Friday morning, and Saturday morning. So 2 mornings, just see what we can do. Me and Dad are the only ones getting tags for this one. Yeah, Dry and Rylan will probably just be behind the camera. And yeah, we're going to see if we can get a couple birds on the ground. We haven't, I have never hunted in Virginia yet for turkey. Dad went down last year, was able to kill a bird. But yeah, this year we're going to try again and yeah, see what we can do. We're looking forward to it. We have a couple spots lined up, some private, and then we have some public pieces to check out. So we're going to see what all we get into, but we're pretty confident, pretty excited. So yeah, don't know what all is in store yet, but pretty sure we can get a bird, at least one bird on the ground. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, good morning, guys. So we just pulled into the spot. This is our second option. Our first option, there had been guys that beat us there. We're hunting public land this morning, so first come, first serve. So we're on the second spot, which isn't far. There's some good ridges here that we want to check out and stuff. So yeah, it's 5:43. We got about a half hour here till shooting light, so we might see if we can hear anything here, and then yeah, go from there. So pretty excited. Dad and Dryer are hunting a private piece with another buddy, so we'll see how they do. But yeah, so never been here before. We're gonna just try it out and yeah, see if we can put a bird on the ground here this morning. So see what happens.
Okay, boys, starting off the morning strong here with the oatmeal cream pie.
Already?
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna give me the energy to get through these hills.
Give you no energy.
Yeah, my gut's just gonna feel awful, but yeah. across. Straight out there somewhere. That's pretty far out, but
That's private.
it's private. Yeah, it is. Oh, here. Is that public? That's public. If we can get out.
He's on the private, but if we can get on the public, we'll go straight to where.
Call him over. That's the only turkey we heard this morning. Maybe we can call him over here. Pretty far. Okay guys, so that bird is like straight up on top there. So we'll just drop down to the bottom here. We gotta go wrap around that side there and get on the high point and try to call him to us. We're pretty sure he's hemmed up, but we'll see what happens once.
So, we don't know how to run around this morning. We started the whole way. Well, can you show them back there?
Yeah.
Back there somewhere.
Way up there somewhere.
Well, back to the right even.
Yeah, back
From the
further.
whole way out to there. Can you see my finger?
No, I can't.
Out to there somewhere. And then came the whole way back around and down. We came up this side hill. And we saw no scratching there, didn't do anything. Until we got out to there. And we heard a bird straight across from us. So we dropped down, circled around, came up on this side, tried to call to him, but now we're seeing a lot of fresh scratchings. They come right down across here. And we're right up this little ravine here. And there's some fields at the top. And I'm kind of wondering if the turkeys didn't move from up there and came down through, because you can see right here, like those scratchings. I mean, not old at all. And some of the dirt had just been scratched. So I feel like they're probably up here somewhere. So I was just gonna try to find a high point here somewhere and see if we can get something to talk. It's getting a little bit later in the morning. What time is it? 8:30? About 8:45 maybe.
Yeah.
So next couple hours here we could get a bird that uses the tend or something. See what happens. But we're gonna sneak up this little ditch here. See if anything responds up here. Let's go. Dude, let's go. Oh my word.
I couldn't quite see him.
Alright, well, we finally got him. Yeah. Did not end up like I thought it was gonna. It's a Jake. We just moved up here on this point where we had heard some gobbles earlier. And just sat down and I cut real loud just to see if anything would answer, and it was maybe, I don't know how long it was, 30 seconds, minute maybe, and I heard something coming and I'm like, I don't know what that is. And then it wasn't, yeah, a couple seconds later, here come a couple redheads, 3 redheads popped up over the edge. And I don't know if you weren't on him at that point.
Mm-mm.
And so Rylan got on him then, and then yeah, they started to leave, and I quick got up on my knees and killed one, and I never really got a good look at him. And yeah, it turns out it's a Jake, but yeah, it was still a fun morning, fun hunt. But yeah, not quite what I was hoping for, but it's alright. It's fun. Got a bird on the ground, so try again tomorrow and see what we can do tomorrow.
Yeah, that was so sad.
Well, it is 11:22 and we're just pulling out. Got the turkey loaded up. I guess to finish off our morning here, we're gonna go do some scouting a little bit, just see if we can find a spot for the morning, and yeah, go from there tonight. We're probably gonna try to get to some spots to maybe roost some birds, but we'll see. Dad, I don't know what all is going on with them right now, but they're still at their spot hunting, so I haven't really heard from them. But yeah, anyway, just getting some water and some good old goose jerky, and gonna go scout for some more turkeys. So overall, pretty good morning. We hiked a lot, in between probably around a mile and a half, I would say. We put on just this morning trying to find the birds, and we did. So yeah, pretty good morning. First day here, never hunted this piece, public land, and kill a bird. So yeah, pretty happy.
All right, y'all, it is Friday night. We are out here on a little walk, going to try to find some turkeys for the morning. Me and Dad are gonna come here tomorrow morning and check this area out. So we'll see if we can hear anything gobble to help us out in the morning. Dad was on this piece last year and didn't get anything, so we're seeing if we can get a head start for the morning. Well, this is Saturday morning. We're here in Virginia on a nice farm here this morning. We got birds gobbling down in front of us. This is the farm I killed a Jake on last year. This year we're hoping for a longbeard. So they're gobbling down in front. We got the decoys out here and we're ready to go. See what happens. Man, I like that. How many do you think it is? 4? Could be. I think one of them might be a Jake with him, but really We get down to this corner. I'd almost rather be set up in the food plot right now. How do we miss that plot anyway? It looks like there's the building. We would have walked down in here. It must be a little lane right comes right in there. But if we enter that food plot from the field here, head toward it slowly. If we could set up there, maybe they'll come up and come down in here for strutting in here, or unless they're gonna go off the front. But at least we'd be closer to them if we can hear them gobble. At some point they should give a gobble.
Alright, so somebody just shot, and we're guessing it's the same bird that we heard gobble. It's in a similar direction, so I guess we're just gonna hike back to the truck, maybe bounce to one more spot quick, see if we can get anything. Yeah, it is 11:03, so we got an hour left. Try to make something happen, so it's been a really quiet morning. So, yeah, probably bounce one more spot yet, see if we can get a fired up bird or something, but yeah, it's a bummer, but kind of got a pretty long hike out of here. It's alright, it's part of it. If it was easy, it wouldn't be fun, so. Alright, let's get back to the truck.
We got 15 minutes. Pretty sure he's on the other side of the fence, but we'll see. Buddy, come on. Eight minutes.